welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's close to our hearts and your guts. Literally, we're talking about the 10 essential foods that will help you heal your gut. But before we reveal the superstar ingredient, a quick disclaimer: we're not doctors. This video is for informational purposes only. And while we've got some serious gut healing knowledge under our belts, your best bet is always to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Got it? Good. Let's get started. At number 10, bone broth. This liquid gold is a rich source of amino acids, collagen and gelatin, which are like building blocks for your gut. A study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that bone broth can help heal ulcers and gastritis, making it a must for gut health. Number 9, sap. This fermented cabbage is a powerhouse of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria for your gut. Probiotics help maintain a healthy gut microbiome, aiding digestion and boosting your immune system. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition showed that eating sauerkraut regularly can increase the diversity of bacteria in your gut, leading to better overall health. No. 8. Yogurt. Another probiotic-rich food that can help restore the balance of bacteria in your gut. Look for yogurts with live and active cultures for maximum benefit. A study in the British Journal of Nutrition found that consuming probiotics, like those found in yogurt, can alleviate symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. 7. Kimchi. This spicy Korean dish is a probiotic-rich superfood that can help improve gut health and digestion. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that kimchi contains compounds that can help heal ulcers. 6. Kombucha. This fermented tea is a great source of probiotics, and a study in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that kombucha can help reduce inflammation in the gut, making it beneficial for people with gut disorders. 5. Green leafy vegetables. These veggies are packed with fiber, vitamins and minerals that are essential for gut health. Fiber helps keep things moving smoothly in your digestive tract. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that a high-fiber diet can help prevent and manage irritable bowel syndrome. 4. Extra virgin olive oil. This oil is rich in healthy fats and antioxidants that can help reduce inflammation in the gut. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that olive oil can help improve symptoms of inflammatory bowel disease. 3. Garlic. This pungent ingredient is a great source of prebiotics, which are food for probiotics. Prebiotics help nourish the beneficial bacteria in your gut. A study in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that garlic contains compounds that can help boost the immune system and fight harmful bacteria in the gut. 2. Apples. These crunchy fruits are a great source of pectin, a soluble fiber that can help heal the gut lining. Pectin also acts as a prebiotic, helping to feed the good bacteria in your gut. A study in the Journal of Functional Foods found that pectin can help improve symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome. And now the moment you've been waiting for. Drumroll, please. At No. 1. The most impactful food for healing your gut is, wait for it, bone broth. This nutrient-dense liquid is a powerhouse of collagen, gelatin and amino acids, which are essential for gut health. A study in the Journal of Clinical Gastroenterology found that bone broth can help heal ulcers and gastritis, making it a must for gut healing. Incorporate bone broth into your daily diet and watch your gut health improve. You can enjoy it as a comforting soup, add it to your favorite recipes, or sip it as a tea. It's time to give your gut the love it deserves. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay healthy and happy.